Hey everyone, so I wanted to bring y'all some cleaning motivation for the weekend. So if y'all needed some extra push to get all of your things done this weekend, maybe this video can help you out. So I just wanted to take y'all around while I was cleaning today, and I wanted to also show y'all my office, so I'm going to do a little bit of a tour for y'all later on. For right now, I'm just using my Pledge multi-surface to dust all of my furniture in my office and in my bedroom. I picked out some super fun songs for us to listen to while we both clean today, so let's get in that cleaning spirit and get to working.
I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go, 'cause every time I try you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. Where to push or pull, and I am going mad just like you knew I would. You're reading me like an open book. You know me better than I ever thought you could. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay.
Yep, that's right. This is a bottle of Promised Land chocolate milk on my bedside table. I absolutely love this stuff, and I go through it within like a day. I'm not even gonna lie. It's so good. I don't even let my kids drink it. It's for mama. This item is actually one of my favorite things I have found through Grove Collaborative, and that is the Caldera Room Spray and the Sea Salt Neroli. It smells absolutely wonderful.
You're like a magnet pulling me in. I run away, hit the road, and almost there, but I keep turning back just like a boomerang. You're like a backseat ghost telling me to stop. No matter what you do, I keep on coming back. Just like a boomerang, just like a boomerang, just like a
using that Squirt and Mop by Method that is in the scent Almond. I absolutely love the way that this stuff makes my house smell. It smells awesome. Y'all got to try it out, and it cleans so good. I'm very happy with it. To share my office with y'all. If y'all saw my previous cleaning video, you'll notice that there was a huge desk right here, and it just took up a whole bunch of room, and then this desk was just severely cluttered. So me and my husband did a lot of work in here, and we cleared out a whole bunch of stuff. And I got this plant for my birthday, and then I have just like some wedding stuff and my Cricut and stuff like that. And like when I need to use my Cricut, all my stuff is right there. All of my scrapbooking stuff is right there. My tripods, everything is just so much easier to use because I actually have somewhere to put all my stuff. So that's great. Over here I just have my jewelry box, and these are actually pictures of me and my sister when we were kids. Aren't we so cute? And then that top one is actually the very first Christmas. And no, maybe our second Christmas together, me and my husband right there. Love my bookshelf. I love how it turned out. I just have like a couple of books for me and my husband, and then I have some of my cute cutters and stuff like that here. And then this actually was a flower arrangement that I made for our table at our wedding, so I really like having that in here too. And just a couple of things up there. Just a couple of cute touches on my bookshelf, and I think it just looks so much better than it did. I mean, my husband does still have like all his pictures on the wall, which I really don't care. I mean, he has his cars from his great-grandfather up there, and I don't mind him having them up there at all. I just care that this room is functional now, and now this dresser is full of like all my scrapbooking stuff and my vinyl, and it's just so much more accessible and just functional, which is the main thing. And then of course I still have my little vanity area. I just moved my bouquet from my wedding behind that picture to add some color, and I think that's the only thing I changed in this corner. got you. And I also got this multi-surface cleaner that's in peony, and I just love the way it smells. Now that you're feeling all secure in our love, let's bring you back down.
Let me go, go, let me go. I told you I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours. So why you trying to hold on when I'm not there for you? Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need you here. So won't you let me go? Wanna take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it out the window. I think that you should let go, cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. Let go. I should have known, I should have known you are not right for me. So let go, so let me go, so let me go. You are not right for me, so let go, go. Let me go, go, let me go, go. Let me go, let me go, let me go, go. Let me go, go, let me go. Go, go, let me go, go, go. Don't call me, I don't wanna talk to you. I'm better off not talking to you. But why you trying to hold on, to hold on, to hold on? Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need you here, so won't you let me go? Wanna take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it out the window. I think that you should let go, cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. Let go. I should have known, I should have known you are not right for me. So let go, so let me go, so let me go. You are not right for me, so let go. Let me go, go, let me go, go. Let me go, let me go, let me go, go. Let me go, go, let me go. Go, go, let me go, go, go. I told you I'm not yours. So why are you trying to hold on? I think that you should let go, cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. Let go. I think that you should let go, cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. You are not right for me, so let go.
Isn't he cute? I had no idea he was doing this until I went to go edit this video. As you can see, his room is absolutely trashed, and my other sons, when I get to it, you'll see that it's not much better. They had friends over and I let them just go to town and just wreck their rooms, but you gotta let them live and be kids, right?
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken.
I hope that y'all are cleaning right along with me today and got a lot of the stuff on your list done and got a good start to the weekend. And I hope that y'all come to and join me with my next cleaning video, and let's end out this video on a good note with this wonderful song, greatly titled as The Winner.
You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You show